Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 6/28 of 2020 and the stock is MU. This happened on Wednesday, the 24th. Happened in the morning, lasted till about noon. Strategy based on a 60-minute DTS breakdown play entry on a 1-minute DTS sell setup, be the tail, and management simple reward risk about 2.0 to 1. As usual, free this week to you DTS members. Monday is the bi-weekly scanning night. Be sure and be there for that. You'll get your invite in the mail automatically on Monday. Unless you're not a DTS member, then head on over to the home page at DTS and you'll see areas where you can sign up to become a free DTS member. And don't forget, this Friday the market is closed in observance of the 4th of July. Here is the daily chart of MU, and this is what it looked like the day before the trade. This daily chart was not the reason. It wasn't the picture of power, so to speak. That came off the hourly chart. The daily chart simply gave a thumbs up that I need to say that it's not a problem. The reason that this was a bearish play was not because of the daily chart, but the daily chart didn't have a problem with it because this lower high that was put in here kind of confirmed, and then you'll see this breakdown happening on that red bar. After the day of the trade, it looked like this, and it was justified as a nice red bar formed that day. Here's a 60-minute chart, which is really the heart of the play, the picture of power, if you will. This is what it looked like going into the morning of the trade, and this is the chart that I put on my screen because I like this setup going into this day. It opened just gapping down a little bit right to the bottom of that base. It rallied up to the top of the base and then fell, and that short was taken as it rallied to the top of the base. That's the general strategy. You'll see more detail here on the 5-minute chart. That's where the stock opened. It initially tripped lower for a few seconds and then flew higher into the top of that base, shorted up there 49.79, stopped 50.21. Stock fell fairly quickly. That test of the new low was target 1. Target 2 was just kind of trail out of it a little bit quick. Would have liked a little better target 2, but target 3 was perfect, right down there off the low going into lunch. A little more detail here provided on the 1-minute chart since this entry happened fairly early in the morning. You can see the detail. Right there was the entry, right as that thing started to turn around, because that entry was very aggressive, gave it a little bit of room. Stop was up at 50.21. Target 1, target 2, and target 3 is off the chart because this chart only goes to about 10:45, and the last target was taken going into lunch. This trade, like all the others, done in the DTS Trading Room. If you like this style, come join us for a week as a trial, or come join us permanently in the DTS Trading Room. You can visit the website on the services page for more information. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.